Let me ask you a question. What is the purpose of a business?
Make money.
Make money. Make a profit. That's what almost everybody says. But do you know what the purpose of a business really is? The purpose of a business is to create and keep a customer. It's to create and keep a customer. If you create and keep sufficient number of customers in a cost-effective way, the result will be a profit. You know what the number one reason for business failure is in America or any other country? It's low sales. You know what the number one reason for business success is? High sales. The ability to create and keep customers is the key. And by the way, how can you tell? You find that all successful businesses, everybody thinks about creating and keeping customers.